Okay guys, today with this tutorials I'm going to show you how you can make a photo move on the screen of your video like the one I just shown to you. Okay, so you click here, then you choose the screen version of YouTube 16:9. Okay, then you choose the video. Okay, then you set the limit of your video. Okay, the video. Then choose the photo. Okay, then after that you try, then remove the background of the photo. The chroma key, enable it. You choose the background of the photo. Right. Okay. And then you decrease the size of the photo. Okay guys, I'm done. So please make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel, then you turn on the bell so that anytime I upload video into my channel you'll receive notification on your phone. Thank you for watching. So with this you can make your photo moves on the screen of your video like